demonstration video on DeleTrain's features and basic usage. DeleTrain enables new employees of a company to train themselves using pre-recorded videos and content accessible by an all-in-one company and training manual that is accessible from any PC with just a web browser. What you're seeing on the screen here is a blank slate company and training manual that you get upon the creation of a new account. We're going to begin by creating our first subject, and we'll call that CRM training. We're not going to limit it to any departments, and we'll call our first topic adding a user, and the content of manuals over here. We could type text, we could add existing videos, record our screen, add an animated GIF, design the text. Let's demonstrate the recording of your screen ability to demonstrate how a task is performed. So we'll hit new screen recording, share audio, and we'll see that now your screen is being recorded. Again, there's no special hardware. Any web browser is able to accomplish this task. We're using a demonstration CRM here for the purpose of recording this part of the video. John Doe, you can see it at 999.com. Hit save. Okay, now we'll hit stop sharing. And then we see that the video appears over here. So, the other things we can add. Essentially adding content, you can comment, etc. You can add additional videos, there's no limit. Screen share, 3, come back, stop sharing, and then keep going down here. Okay. Now, if you have an existing video, for example, you recorded something with your iPhone, your Android phone, your camera, such as we discussed the non-PC recording topics such as changing a door code, etc. All you have to do, upload external video, and when you access our interface, DeleTrain.com, through your mobile device, you'll have the same access as here. So you would hit upload, and it'll prompt you to use your camera in order to file a recording, or you select an existing video. For the purpose of this demo, we're going to download a test MP4 here and drag and drop it so we can show you the uploading. So your file has been received, refresh your videos page. Now, all recordings that are made or uploaded are stored in the central area, so you can reuse them for different topics and reference them in the future. So we will go to videos, and we see that this is the video that we just uploaded. Okay, this is the essentially, by naming it, it makes it a lot easier to add the topics. So, for example, we go here, for example, let's add a new user. Here we can reference this in an existing video, so we'll say test CRM adding and have that content here and hit save. Okay. So, regarding adding your employees, now there are a couple of ways to go about getting this content to your users. You could either make your entire manual public, which we've done so over here. Make entire manual public, require a password. This is the easiest way. It doesn't require you to add any users. Let's demonstrate how this is done. So you're assigned a URL that matches your company name. You can go ahead and change it. DeleTrain.com/manual Smart Company Inc. So, for example, /Smart Company Inc. And it'll say, okay, this manual is password protected. That's the password. So this is the easiest way because you can just distribute document upon hire to your employees. This is the URL you go to do your training. They can do so on any device. They can do so from home, etc. Watch your videos, and it's just blissful where you don't have to go and add individual users, log in, etc. And as you see, for example, we'll click on here and we see the videos, the self-train, etc. Okay, the next thing, let's remove this ability, okay, and we'll add a user individually. So we'll call John Doe, and we'll call, we want to see the email notifications, we're using Mail Later as a throwaway email. ABC, also you can make any user admin to give them the same permissions you have of adding and editing topics. Okay, so DeleTrain testing, and essentially the way access levels are granted is that users are assigned to a department, so you can call, for example, John Doe will call management. And then let's say we create a subject and we call it points. We'll limit that to managers. Okay, so you have different users to different departments, and your topics would only be visible to them based upon their department. I think this explains it. You could also optionally, putting aside the user's ability, you could also make individual topics, individual subjects. You can make them public, require passwords. So for example, if you don't want to make your entire manual public, but just a section, for example, CRM training, you can make that public as well. Okay, on to the testing feature. You can create an unlimited number of tests. You can test your employees' knowledge on a specific area. And new, so I'm not too creative, so indicate that this is the correct answer. So when you're under any topic, for example, adding a user, you can attach one or more tests. So let's call it test of a test. And any user that you've added to the system can take that test. Also, if you've enabled public access. So for example, hire someone on Indeed, you want them to take a test, you make either give them the public URL of the company manual, or you create a separate subject for pre-hires. So you give them that URL so they're limited just to that area and have them take the test. But let's show you, we'll make the manual public again. And let's go to the quick shortcut public view. And again, the manual is password protected. You'll see that we have a test format here, test for test. Now it's asking for a name because again we're in a public. We're at the public link. We're not logging in as a user. So this is our answer. Answer one of the questions, and we'll say thank you. Your answers have been submitted, and it goes ahead and emails all the administrators the results of that test. You can add unlimited questions and unlimited multiple choices. Results are also logged under, let's go back here, under tests we can see the results over here. So for example, number of questions, number of correct, test started, what their answers were, etc. in addition to the email notification that you receive. Anytime also you modify a subject and it belongs to a department, so for example, complaints are assigned to managers. Anytime you make a change to this document, any user who's designated under department managers receives a notification, so your users can always remain up to date. Also, you can view their interactability with your topics. So for example, you want to know whether you just made an update, when's the last time your users actually viewed the content. So you're going to save view history. Well, we haven't logged in we haven't logged into that sub-user we created. But essentially, the view history shows you the last time that any user has viewed your topic. So for example, 10 employees viewed it, you're going to see, viewed it today, you're going to see there are 10 entries over here with the time. So it allows you to stay on top in that manner. Okay, and lastly, you're able to customize a manual. So company, as you see up here, it says accompanying training manual. That's a manual name. You can just call it a training manual. Public, you can customize the publicly accessible URL. If you want to make it public, the departments, you specify your own logo, which will replace it over here. And of course, the company name. And that concludes our demonstration. Thank you very much for watching.